Hello children, very good morning to you. I'm going to start new lesson from your social studies, okay? That is the coastal plains and islands. So in our previous classes we discussed about our desert region, then northern plains and northern mountain region. These all we had discussed earlier. So in this lesson completely we are going to discuss about the coastal plains and also the island, okay? Especially in our country. You already know about that India is one of the peninsular country. Peninsula means three side of water, one side is land. That is called as peninsula. Means three side of water it had covered means we have one long coastal regions in our country comparing to the land region, okay, land borders. So see here, in this coastal plains, there are two major divisions. What are the two major division means nothing. One is western coastal plain. One is western coastal plains. Another one is eastern coastal plains. Another one is eastern coastal plain. Means that is one of the two major division in the coastal plains of India. Okay. So in which region it has covered western coastal plains and also the eastern coastal plain means open your textbook, refer that page number 48. They have given map of that. Okay. See here, this western coastal plain is what covered between that Arabian Sea and also the Western Ghats. See here. This is the map of that coastal plains. Now we are going to discuss about the western coastal plain. Okay. See here, western coastal, in which region it had covered means this is Arabian Sea and also this is the part of Western Ghats. Middle of this place is middle region is called as the western coastal plain. It means this is covered between Western Ghats and also the Arabian Sea. Okay. Next about eastern coastal plain means where it has covered like that. See here, in the part of that west eastern side means between that Eastern Ghats and also the Bay of Bengal. This is Bay of Bengal. This is the part of Eastern Ghats. Middle region of this is called as the eastern coastal plain. Okay. So again once you have to refer this map. Okay. See here, this both means western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. See here, this is the part of southern part of India. Okay, this is western coastal plain. This region is eastern coastal plain. Okay, this two part also meet at one point. Okay, means both coastal plains ಎರಡು coastal plain ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಕನ್ಯಾಕುಮಾರಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಕೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಕೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಕನ್ಯಾಕುಮಾರಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ಸೊ how this India has covered a large area of a coastal plain, like there are many different islands. Okay, like that in the place of Arabian Sea and also in the part of Bay of Bengal, there are lot of islands we are having, like that Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep Island. There are many different types of island. Later we can discuss about that. Okay, yes. See here, this coastal region, okay, means our countries, as I told earlier, that is one of the peninsular country. Okay, means it has covered three side of water. What are the benefit of this coastal plains, coastal region means, see here, that helps to the water transport system. Major transportation system, means of transportation, that is alva ಆ ವಾಟರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಕೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ದ water transport. Through the help of water transport or through the help of ships, okay, we can carry large amount of goods to one country to another country also, one place to another place also, alva. Through the help of ship ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸನ್ನ ಅಟ್ ಅ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟು ದ other countries. Okay, and that is one of the help we are having by the coastal plains. So that ship means we are having many different port in our country. Port means what? That is one of the landing part of the ship. Okay, that is called as port. ಆ ಒಂದು ಶಿಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ports in western coast and also port in eastern coast, like that. In the western coast we are having a very important port of India, okay, that is Mumbai, Kandla, Kochi and also the Panaji. These all ports are comes in the part of ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಕೋಸ್ಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಕೋಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂಥ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಮುಂಬೈ, ಕಾಂಡ್ಲಾ, ಕೊಚ್ಚಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪಣಜಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಕೋಸ್ಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಕೋಸ್ಟ್? ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೋಲ್ಕತ್ತಾ, ಪುದುಚೇರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಚೆನ್ನೈ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಕೋಸ್ಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್. And also those who are living in the part of this coastal region, coastal plain, fishing is one of the main occupation of the people. Okay, means that is near to sea. Okay, so almost those who are living in that coastal region, fishing, they are having as a fishing as one of the main occupation, means main income source for the people of that region. Okay, so next about we are going to discuss about the western coastal plains. Western coastal plains. As I told earlier, this western coastal plain located in the part of, means between of the Arabian Sea and also the part of Western Ghats. Okay, as I shown previously. Refer again once this map in your home. Okay, yes. And also what are the states comes under this western coastal plain? Means see here, say this is western coastal plain. Okay, so it has covered states of India. What are the states in India? Means Gujarat, then okay, Maharashtra, next Karnataka, Goa and also the Kerala. These states are comes under the western coastal plain. Once I want to repeat that. One is Gujarat, another one is Maharashtra, then Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. Okay, these states are comes under the western coastal plains. And also this western coastal plain again, that is divided like means subdivision. 3 division is there. One is Gujarat coast, another one is Konkan coast, third one is Malabar coast. In this western coastal plains again there is subdivisions. One is Gujarat coast, second one is Konkan coast, third one is Malabar coast. Malabar coast. Okay, see here Gujarat coast, that is in the north part of that coastal plain, western coastal plain. That Gujarat part had covered, no, that coastal region is called as Gujarat coast. And also Konkan coast. Konkan coast means from this Gujarat coast to see here, this region is up to here, that is Gujarat coast. Next from that Maharashtra to Goa, that is called as Konkan coast. Next from Goa to Kerala or from to Kanyakumari, means that is one of the center point of that western coastal plains and also eastern coastal plains. Now up to that coastal plain is called as the Malabar coast. Okay, so there are 3 major division. One is Gujarat coast, another one is Konkan coast, third one is Malabar coast. Yes. Next about eastern coastal plains. Next one about eastern coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains. Okay, as I told earlier, in the part of eastern side and also this is covered between the Bay of Bengal and also the Eastern Ghats. That central region is called as the Eastern Coastal Plains. Okay. So what are the states covered or comes under this region? Means see here, West Bengal, next Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Okay. See here, refer this map again. That is started to cover from the West Bengal. Next one is Odisha. Next one is what Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh up to here. Okay. That is covered. And also again it is meet at the point of Kanyakumari. So this is about the eastern coastal plain, and also how that western coastal plain had divided like 3 divisions alva. Western coastal plain yav tara 3 division agi divide madidru, ade thara in this eastern coastal plains also there are 2 divisions. One is northern circars, another one is Coromandel coast. Okay. In that northern circars means see here they have mentioned here from that West Bengal. Okay, from that West Bengal to Andhra Pradesh, middle of that Andhra Pradesh, that is called as northern circars, means one division of the eastern coastal plains. From that Andhra Pradesh to this Tamil Nadu or to Kanyakumari, that is called as the Coromandel coast. Okay, so this is about the eastern coastal plain we had discussed. Okay, read this lesson up to eastern coastal plain. Okay, and also identify in our state in which coastal region or in which division of the coastal plain it had covered or it comes. Okay, find that and also write into your homework note. Okay, thank you.